Join me as I take on the challenge of speeding up my website with a quick 60-second SEO audit. Let's see what magic we can create in just a minute. So, you want to know the secret to making your website load faster? It all starts with understanding what a quick SEO audit can do for you. Think of it like a health check for your website, where we identify areas that are slowing you down and fix them ASAP. This isn't about overhauling your entire site. It's about making those quick, impactful tweaks that search engines and users love. Websites can be slowed down by a variety of factors, but some of the usual suspects include large images that take forever to load, excessive scripts that bog down your site, and poor hosting that just can't keep up. We've all been there. You visit a site and it's like watching paint dry, right? That's usually a sign of one of these issues. Large images can really drag things down, not just because of their file size, but because they often aren't optimized for web use. Then there are scripts. Sometimes they're necessary, but often they're just clutter. And let's not forget hosting. If your host can't provide a stable, fast connection, your site is doomed from the start. The thing is, many website owners overlook these simple fixes, focusing instead on adding more content or features. But here's the thing. If your site is slow, all that great content doesn't stand a chance. Users will bounce, and search engines will penalize you for it. So, what can you do? One of the fastest ways to improve your site is by optimizing those images and scripts. Make sure your images are compressed, but still look great. Tools like TinyPNG can help with that. And for scripts, just ask yourself, are they really necessary? Can they be combined or simplified? Every little bit counts. Okay, let's get into how you can do this quick 60-second SEO audit. First, grab a tool like Google PageSpeed Insights. It's free and gives you a ton of valuable info. Run your site through it and take note of its suggestions. These usually include things like leveraging browser caching, minifying CSS and JavaScript, and compressing images. Another great tool is Jeepmetrics. It gives you a detailed analysis of your site's performance, including how long it takes to load and what elements are slowing it down. It even gives you a grade, which can be a fun way to track your progress. When you're doing your audit, make sure you're checking for optimization in key areas. This includes your images, as we discussed, but also your code. Look for unnecessary characters in your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They can add up and impact load time significantly. The final step is to actually implement these changes. This might sound obvious, but it's amazing how often we overlook the simple stuff. Make those changes, rerun your tests, and watch your site speed up. The immediate feedback from these tools is incredibly motivating. Let's talk about a real-life example. I took a site that was loading at a snail's pace, 10 seconds to load easy. After running it through these tools and making some quick tweaks, we were down to under 3 seconds. That's a huge improvement, not just for users, but for SEO. The site started ranking higher and engagement shot up. It's a win-win for everyone involved. The moral here is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to speed up your website. A quick 60-second SEO audit can make all the difference. So, what are you waiting for? Start your audit today and unlock the full potential of your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this helpful. If you've got a website and you've struggled with speed, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you're looking for more advanced SEO techniques, stay tuned for my next video where we'll dive deeper into that.